This is for AtlasMan23 because he got cleared the first decisive battle stage, and he got nothing. But I'm gonna clear the last. I have 204 energy. This will be an intense battle. Battle of the century. It will be the battle of the century. It's gonna take a while, but I'm doing it for AtlasMan23. It's for AtlasMan23. I just spent all of it, which I could do defeating the Black Cyclone, but this is still good because oh god, he just blast waves. Kill that thing. Oh god, the sloth. Okay, good. He got knocked back one time, and now there's these hippos that are not good. Like, they're good for the enemy because they do some damage, but not good for me. Okay, come on. Okay, got baby cats. And some more meat shields. Attack! I'm just gonna do that. This is literally for AtlasMan23 because he spent pretty much all his energy on this. So this is for AtlasMan23. I'm gonna be so happy when I beat this. Oh god, baby cats died. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna save up for Yuki Mira. This is gonna be bad. Oh, jeez, that was a nice knockback. That was some nice knockbacks. Okay, come on, die, dog. Okay, he died. No, don't tell me. Okay, die, sloth. He wasn't even close to dying. Yeah, there. More angels. Funny how they're angels. Like, that blue diamond is the ninth angel. Pretty funny. They're the same kind. Okay. I'm just gonna swipe that away, look at it after I'm done. It took me 3 minutes already. Just, I'm gonna save up for Yuki Mira again. No, hold up. Okay, we're back. I just hope he understands me. The stupid sloth won't die. Yes, the sloth died, and the ninth angel. Okay. Yippee-yay! The final battle. Okay, so now that I got some nice little, I do want to upgrade this, but first I need to see something super rare. I can upgrade him. Yes, dancing flash rocket, level 25. That's pretty much all.